Welcome to my YouTube channel Modi Mechanical Engineering Tutorials. In this video I would like to explaining in detail study onto the nodular cast irons, or you can say ductile irons. So in this video I would like to discussion with the behavior of the nodular cast irons, properties of the nodular cast irons, and many more applications of nodular cast iron. So just you can see the microstructure of nodular cast irons, or you can say ductile irons. So when the microstructure of cast irons, which will be the consist of nodules or spheroids of the graphite in terms of the pearlitic or ferritic matrix. So the resulting materials, it will be becoming nodular cast iron. It is also called as a ductile irons, or you can say spheroidal graphite cast irons or spherulitic iron. So nodular cast irons, that will be the improved version of grey cast irons. So with a greater toughness, and basically the chemical compositions, just you can see the carbon, it will be around 3.2% to 4.1%. Silicon around 1% to maximum 2.8%. Sulfur, phosphorus, it will be less than 0.03 and 0.1% respectively. So that will be the chemical compositions it will be found into the nodular cast iron. So as from the detailed study onto the chemical compositions, it also contains with the nickel as an alloying element. So that would be also increasing the properties of a nodular cast iron, or you can say ductile iron. Into the nodular cast irons, magnesium between 0.05% to 0.10%. So basically the presence of this nickel and magnesiums, that will be having a major roles to the formation of the graphite nodules. That's why it will be making a nodular structures, or you can say spheroidal structures as a microstructure of nodular cast iron. So as from the nodular microstructure of these cast irons, so that will be having a good enough properties, that will be having a good ductility is being present. So now we will discussing for the different kind of properties is being present for the nodular cast iron. So as we already discussed, the microstructure of nodular cast irons, it will be in forms of the nodules or spheroids, or you can say the second name of the nodular cast irons, that will be the ductile irons. So as from the name, it will be having a properties. So it is having a very good ductility. So that will be having a enough capacity. So you can say it will be having a good elongation capacity. So due to the higher ductility, it will be having a good tensile strength in between 38 kg per mm square to 80 kg per mm square. If you take an sample and make a stress-strain relationship for the nodular cast irons, so by the stress-strain curve produced by the nodular cast irons, which is approximate same as that of the steel up to the certain yield point reached, superior wear resistance as well as good shock resistance. So due to the good wear resistance and shock resistance and strength, the nodular cast irons is widely used as a crankshaft, metal working rolls, punch dies, sheet metal dies. So it is also used for the agricultural implements, machine, hubs, and many more. So if you like this, then subscribe and share Modi Mechanical Engineering Tutorials. Thank you so much and keep watching.